Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we have something special for you. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Meghalaya Public Service Commission Lower Lot CHU, MIR, Shillong 793001. Dated Shillong the 8th of May, 2025. On behalf of Government of Meghalaya, applications are invited on online mode from the citizens of India as per the terms and conditions of this advertisement for recruitment to the post mentioned below. Important, it is mandatory for the applicants to have acquired the requisite educational qualification prescribed for the post, as on the last date fixed for submission of applications. The date on which an applicant is deemed to have acquired the requisite educational qualification shall be the date on which the result of the last examination for such qualification degree is declared by the universities/board/institutions. Online applications will be received up to 17 o'clock HRS on the 9th of June, 2025, and no application will be entertained after the closing date. Candidates are requested to check and update their profile before applying. Name of post and department: 1. Scientific Officer for Chemistry Division, under the Directorate of Forensic Science. Pay scale, level 15 of revised pay structure. Educational qualification: essential, MSc in Chemistry, MSc in Forensic Science with honors in Chemistry at the degree level/Forensic Science, the degree level. Category-wise, Kasi/Jainisha, 1 post, 2. Assistant Engineer, Water Resources Department. Pay scale, level 15 of revised pay structure. Educational qualification: BE/B.Tech in Water Resources Engineering or equivalent. Category and vacancies: Kasi and Jainisha, 2 posts. Garo, 3 posts. Total 5 posts. 3. Name of post and department: Lower Division Assistant under the Meghalaya Secretariat. Pay scale, level 8 of revised pay structure. Educational qualification: essential graduate in any stream from any recognized university in India. Kasi/Jainisha, 35 posts. Garo, 37 posts. Unreserved, 15 posts. Total number are 92 posts. 4. Draftsman Grade-I Survey, Directorate of Survey. Pay scale, level 7 of revised pay structure. Educational qualification: ITI certificate or diploma in draftsmanship, civil. Category and vacancies: Kasi and Jainisha, 3. Garo, 2. Total 5 posts. Age limit as on January 1st, 2025. Minimum 18 years. Maximum 32 years. Age relaxation: 5 years for SC/SD, 10 years for PWD, SC/SD, 5 years for government servants, with 3 years continuous service. Reservation note: detailed reservation for Kasi and Jainisha, Garo, SC/SD, PWD, and other categories mentioned. Validity of diploma degree from non-AICTE institutions is based on a court order and AICTE recognition as of the 31st of May 2013. Application details: apply online, www.mpsc.nic.in. Last date, the 18th of June 2025 till 3 p.m. Important, candidates must update their profile before applying. Examination centers: Shillong, Tura, Jowai, Williamnagar, Nongstoin.